Don't be chicken. Hi folks, Josie here. Welcome to Sari Sari Flavors Kitchen Tips episode. Don't be chicken to cook your chicken because of what I'm going to say. Now, storing your chicken is very crucial because chicken can carry foodborne illness causing bacteria. So, when we're storing our chicken, make sure that you're placing your meat at the bottom drawer or at the bottom shelf. Because if you place the chicken on top like this and you have all the food over here, then that means that it's going to start dripping and it's going to contaminate your food. Okay? So that's tip for today. Have fun and watch my video. See you next time. Bye.